The story begins with cantaloupe melon, a premium fruit originating from temperate climates and now cultivated through advanced greenhouse technology.
In these controlled environments, cantaloupe melon grows under carefully managed light, temperature, and humidity, ensuring consistent quality.
As cantaloupe melon matures, its signature netted skin forms, signaling ripeness, sweetness, and premium value.
Inside every cantaloupe melon is tender, aromatic flesh with a naturally balanced sweetness and refreshing texture.
Rich in vitamins A and C, potassium, antioxidants, and high water content, cantaloupe melon.
As the sun rises, the cantaloupe melon reaches its moment of harvest, perfectly matured on the vine.
Each cantaloupe melon is carefully evaluated for physiological ripeness, sweetness, and natural fragrance.
Visual cues and subtle aromas guide the harvest, ensuring only premium cantaloupe melon is selected.
Harvesting cantaloupe melon is done by hand, using specialized tools to protect the fruit from damage.
This careful process takes place during the cool hours of early morning or late afternoon.
Temperature and timing are critical to preserving the quality of every cantaloupe melon. From the field, each cantaloupe melon is clearly identified by lot, date, and origin for full traceability.
The journey continues as cantaloupe melon leaves the farm and begins its path to processing.
Cantaloupe melon is packed in food-grade containers designed to prevent impact and surface damage.
Transportation conditions are tightly controlled to safeguard cantaloupe melon quality.
Stable temperature and short transport times reduce stress on every cantaloupe melon.
Soon, cantaloupe melon arrives at a high-standard processing facility. At arrival, cantaloupe melon enters the first checkpoint of industrial quality control.
Every lot of cantaloupe melon is weighed and recorded with exact accuracy.
Sweetness is scientifically verified, ensuring each cantaloupe melon meets flavor standards.
Any cantaloupe melon showing damage or disease is immediately removed. Only cantaloupe melon that meets strict criteria moves forward. Approved cantaloupe melon continues deeper into the production flow.
Each cantaloupe melon batch receives a production code for full traceability.
This coding connects every cantaloupe melon to its origin and harvest conditions.
At this point, cantaloupe melon is fully verified and ready for transformation. Quality, safety, and precision now define the next phase of the cantaloupe melon journey. From field to factory, cantaloupe melon moves forward with purpose. The foundation is set as cantaloupe melon prepares to become a refined product for consumers. After inspection, cantaloupe melon enters a controlled environment where cleanliness defines the next stage. Each cantaloupe melon is washed using continuously filtered clean water.
This process gently removes dirt and residues from the cantaloupe melon exterior.
Every surface of the cantaloupe melon is evenly cleansed.
Food-safe ozone treatment disinfects the cantaloupe melon without altering its natural quality.
Harmful microorganisms are eliminated, protecting the cantaloupe melon at its earliest stage of processing.
Cleanliness is now embedded into the life of every cantaloupe melon.
Before further handling, each cantaloupe melon is allowed to dry naturally. Proper drying prevents surface contamination as cantaloupe melon moves forward.
With surfaces clean, cantaloupe melon is now ready for classification. Advanced systems begin sorting cantaloupe melon by size and structure.
Size consistency plays a critical role in determining the cantaloupe melon's final purpose. Internal flesh yield is analyzed without damaging the cantaloupe melon.
Based on these results, cantaloupe melon is divided by production intent.
Grade 1 cantaloupe melon is reserved for fresh consumption and high-end fresh-cut products.
Other cantaloupe melon continues toward transformation into processed products. The cantaloupe melon now enters a sterile clean room for primary preparation. Peeling begins as cantaloupe melon is carefully prepared for interior processing. The outer rind of the cantaloupe melon is removed with precision.
Human expertise ensures the cantaloupe melon meets visual and hygienic standards.
Now fully prepared, cantaloupe melon moves into precise cutting. Other cantaloupe melon is shaped into cubes for versatile use.
Speed is essential to preserve the natural color and aroma of cantaloupe melon.
Rapid handling protects freshness at every second. At this stage, cantaloupe melon is clean, sorted, and perfectly prepared. The foundation is complete as cantaloupe melon advances toward its final transformation.
From purity to precision, this is where cantaloupe melon becomes a true industrial ingredient.
The first path is dedicated to fresh-cut cantaloupe melon, where freshness is preserved above all.
Each cantaloupe melon portion is accurately weighed for consistency.
Immediate rapid cooling locks in the original flavor of cantaloupe melon.
Temperature control preserves the natural color and aroma of cantaloupe melon.
Fresh-cut cantaloupe melon is now stabilized for premium consumption.
Beyond fresh products, cantaloupe melon continues into deeper transformation.
Natural antioxidant treatment protects cantaloupe melon from discoloration. This step ensures cantaloupe melon maintains visual appeal during drying. Drying begins under strictly controlled temperature and time settings.
Soft-dried cantaloupe melon develops a tender texture while retaining sweetness.
Another transformation begins as cantaloupe melon becomes juice and puree.
Pressing extracts liquid while preserving the essence of cantaloupe melon.
Fresh cantaloupe melon juice now moves through a closed hygienic system. Careful filtration refines cantaloupe melon juice to pure clarity. The juice rests briefly under sterile conditions. Pasteurization protects safety while respecting cantaloupe melon flavor.
Accurate filling preserves consistency in every cantaloupe melon bottle.
Sealing protects cantaloupe melon juice from external exposure. From fresh fruit to bottled form, cantaloupe melon juice is now ready to be enjoyed.
Sterilization is applied when extended shelf life is required for cantaloupe melon.
The result is a stable, aromatic cantaloupe melon base.
For long-term preservation, cantaloupe melon enters the freezing line.
Cantaloupe melon is cut into uniform cubes for freezing.
Individually quick frozen technology locks each cantaloupe melon cube instantly.
This process preserves structure, texture, and nutrients of cantaloupe melon.
Fast freezing prevents cell damage inside cantaloupe melon. The integrity of cantaloupe melon is fully protected. Fresh, dried, liquid, and frozen forms all originate from the same cantaloupe melon. Technology allows cantaloupe melon to adapt to diverse consumer needs.
Every form of cantaloupe melon meets strict quality standards.
Precision defines every transformation of cantaloupe melon.
With processing complete, cantaloupe melon advances toward final preparation.
From one fruit, many expressions. This is the versatility of cantaloupe melon. As processing continues, cantaloupe melon enters a critical phase where quality is constantly monitored.
Regular microbiological testing ensures cantaloupe melon remains safe at every stage of production.
Moisture levels, color stability, and flavor profile of cantaloupe melon are carefully evaluated.
All cantaloupe melon processes strictly follow HACCP, ISO 25000, and GMP standards.
Every batch of cantaloupe melon is fully documented, ensuring traceability, consistency, and trust.
With processing complete, cantaloupe melon enters its final stage before reaching consumers.
Each cantaloupe melon product is paired with packaging designed to meet strict food safety standards.
For certain cantaloupe melon products, modified atmosphere packaging maintains optimal freshness.
Labeling transforms cantaloupe melon packages into fully identified products.
Every cantaloupe melon label clearly displays product name and ingredients.
Production date and shelf life information ensure transparency for cantaloupe melon consumers.
Each cantaloupe melon package includes a QR code for full traceability.
With one scan, the journey of cantaloupe melon becomes visible.
Consistency in packaging reflects the precision behind every cantaloupe melon.
Clean presentation reinforces trust in cantaloupe melon quality.
Automation ensures uniformity across all cantaloupe melon products.
Human oversight guarantees cantaloupe melon packaging meets exact specifications.
With packaging complete, cantaloupe melon is fully prepared for storage and distribution. Protected and sealed, cantaloupe melon is now ready to travel.
This final layer of care preserves the integrity of cantaloupe melon beyond the factory. Packaging completes the transformation, securing cantaloupe melon from production to purchase. After packaging, cantaloupe melon moves into carefully controlled storage environments.
Depending on the product, cantaloupe melon is stored in cool, cold, or frozen warehouses. Temperature and humidity are continuously monitored to protect cantaloupe melon quality.
Even slight changes are detected to preserve the integrity of cantaloupe melon.
Storage follows the FIFO principle, ensuring older cantaloupe melon is released first.
This system guarantees freshness as cantaloupe melon prepares to leave the warehouse. Distribution begins with specialized cold chain transportation for cantaloupe melon. From storage to transport, cantaloupe melon remains protected at every step. Cold chain logistics preserve cantaloupe melon quality during transit. Cantaloupe melon now travels toward markets and consumers.
Supermarkets become one of the primary destinations for cantaloupe melon products.
Convenience stores offer easy access to fresh cantaloupe melon.
Specialty food stores highlight cantaloupe melon as a premium, healthy choice.
Melon. Online platforms extend cantaloupe melon availability beyond physical shelves.
E-commerce delivery maintains safety and freshness of cantaloupe melon.
At retail, cantaloupe melon is displayed under recommended temperature conditions.
Clean design and clear information enhance the appeal of cantaloupe melon.
Each cantaloupe melon package features a QR code for transparency.
With one scan, consumers trace the full journey of cantaloupe melon.
Transparency builds trust, guiding consumers toward cantaloupe melon.
Consumers choose cantaloupe melon for safety, quality, and convenience.
Cantaloupe melon becomes part of everyday nutrition.
From shelf to table, cantaloupe melon adapts to diverse culinary experiences. This is the journey of cantaloupe melon, designed with care, delivered with integrity, and chosen with confidence.